Welcome to Business Live. I'm Croskery. It's Kingston Wharves, ticker symbol KW, trading in their shares. It's a sale here. Connected party selling a total of 141,364 shares. Small trade for the size of Kingston Wharves during the period March 22nd to March 26, 2021. Now, General Insurance Company, IronRock Insurance Company, advising here a delay in audited financial results. This is for the year ended December 31st, 2020. Now, Limners Bards here, better known as the lab on the stock market. We covered them recently, blazing results, huge earnings per share there, and growth, a trading in their shares here. It's a sale as well, and it's a large sale here, roughly 20 million Jamaican or more, probably about 22.5 million Jamaican to be exact, if we're assuming a stock price, $2.50, $2.75, something like that. Talk about Biden and Harris here, the US getting back in the headlines, announcing here that's Biden US $2 trillion infrastructure plan. That's coming out today, been in the headlines for a couple of days now or over the past week. It's not just infrastructure, it's an economic recovery package as well. So if you read that fine print, it's over 8 years. It goes into, even a package, a couple $100 million US for the elderly. They snuck that in there conveniently, but well put together, well done there. So we just had the whole stimulus plan, 1.9 trillion, and then boom, this is all within, let's say, 60, 90 days. It's another plan here, infrastructure plan, economic recovery plan. It goes on to say that the corporate tax rate, was decreased from 35 to 21% by the Republicans. It's now going to go back up to, say, 28% here by the Dems. We'll see how this goes over. It also goes into say that the profits, it's focused on keeping the profits in the US versus, let's say, offshoring. It's going to focus on transportation, water systems, broadband. But as we said, it's over 8 years, so you got to go into that fine print. But it means 1.9 trillion US dollars done, passed, or the stimmies, as they say, stimulus plan, those 1,400 US checks. And now we're seeing here 2 trillion US or more over 8 years. So Biden and Harris are raging. Those are the headlines. Last up tonight, we got Goldman Sachs here now, viewing for their second quarter to really, have their desk offer their clients actually Bitcoin and digital assets. Now, when you see Goldman Sachs, the big name, the big, brand, the whole traditional company, that ticker symbol GS, when Goldman Sachs says it's going into digital currency, then that is the one to watch. This is a bellwether stock of the financial market, Goldman Sachs. So it's going to offer to its wealth management clients this whole, investment arena. And it now even has a global head of digital assets for private wealth division. So it's going to offer the private wealth clients this whole asset class. And it's seeking to offer overall a full spectrum in the digital asset space. It really now is coming out with a big announcement that it views at this point, not a few years ago, but it now views it as an emerging asset class. And clearly its clients are saying, we want to get into the whole Bitcoin space and digital assets. They don't just call it, let's say, cryptocurrency, but they call it as a phrase, digital assets. I'm Croskery, this is Business Live.